don't have to keep them. Just keep fishing. And then you're going to come up and go.
I don't know what
So, 1, 2, 3,
It's
4,
still a
5.
baby.
5 more, guys! Actually,
No!
6, 4 more.
You got the glove you did?
Mhm.
Okay, give me. I'll bring it to you.
4 more, guys. 4 more.
I don't want some more. Oh, really?
Are you having fun? Is that why?
No.
You don't want to catch 3?
I just don't want to catch more.
We need 4 more, and then
Come on
we'll
this
be done.
Come on this side. Come on this side. Don't count it.
That's just my strategy.
What monstrosity?
You.
Yeah.
Nothing, no worries. Nothing important.
Are you watching where your thing is, Lucas? On the screen? You gotta watch where your thing is.
Mine.
That's fine.
I see mine.
Okay.
Oh, I got one. Whoa. Pretty big.
So 3 more, guys, and we're done.
No. At least I just want to catch like 5.
Do what I keep telling you. Yeah, slowly raise it up until you, when you feel a tug, pull on it.
Little fishies. Snackies.
3 more still. No, mind. I'm gonna reel it up.
Oh. I bet I got a fish.
Oh, okay, Dad. I need new bait. Okay, I need new bait.
Look, there's like 1,000 of them down there.
How can you tell?
Not one.
2 more.
No. Oh. Is this so big? Yeah, this is.
Yep, 2 more.
Oh, so neat.
Ooh. Oh my God.
Wait, Dad, can we keep fishing after this, but release the other ones and catch? Got one.
1 more.
What, you got one?
I got one.
1
You
more.
got one?
1 more.
Sit down, Lucas. Over here. Bring it over here.
Oh,
If you want to keep it, you want like that. That's small.
I know.
And let go. You guys keep fishing, okay?
But don't we need 1 more? Okay, got 1. Oh. Never mind.
Now that fish. When it's
Here, let me
like,
give you another.
never be greedy again.
Right? We didn't learn a lesson. I didn't
Today.
know I went to school. This one.
Oh, got it.
Oh, that's a nice one. Lucas.
How much more?
Oh, it's just not.
We got double hook.
2 more.
What, you got one?
I didn't get
No. 7 minus plus
I think we got enough.
plus
guys.
1 is.
one. What? Well, at least I counted.
Well, how many?
31.
31?
I don't know.
No one wants.
One more.
I'm gonna get it. I'm just one.
I could fart right now. You guys. Oh, I farted.
Whoever gets this
Ah!
one wins the whole competition.
What complication?
This is the
There was
competition.
a complication this whole time?
Yeah, duh. Whoever gets the last one wins. And they earn
And what?
Free fun pass?
dinner.
Oh,
I'm gonna win.
yeah, I know. I gotta win. Oh, I have
No!
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 You guys really?
Yes!
You just caught the last one?
Yeah.
Yes!
That's a little one. You want to keep it?
No, Lucas, it's small.
You want to keep it, Lucas?
No.
Well, you guys can keep fishing for fun. You just have to keep everything going.
Okay, I won the competition.
Okay,
Okay,
Dad.
you get to choose
Okay.
dinner.
Where do I put my?
Dad, I get to
Oh.
choose dinner. Lily, we're not done.
Yeah, you can get it.
You know what? I'm done.
Wesley, come help me stack these fish.
Let me get my gloves first.
What did I win?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Break me right.
Dad didn't agree to the last one to fish. Yeah. Lucas, come help get fish.
No.
Oh,
I'll play it again.
oh, we got 11.
Hello, I'm gonna record you now.
Got another one.
It's the most dangerous catcher, Ethan Chung. If he does get this one. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm Lucas. I won the last fish, so yes. Ethan the great hunter. Ethan has catch most of the world's biggest fish ever. He smells his blood. Anything to say, Ethan? The fierce hunter? I need to say. Never mind about that. Ethan was see the new hunter learning how to fish. He is right there with the fierce, most dangerous hunter, Daddy Porchin.
Ew! Whoa! This guy lost his lip.
Wait, what?
See? Or is this no?
The most fierce hunter. The most fierce hunters ever. Yeah!
Stop doing that. My phone's going to fall off.
Sorry, guys. What'd you do there?
Dip.
It's damn straight time.
No.
Not to take a photo.
No photo. Fierce hunter, Ethan the Great, right here. I just